Friends, if you are looking for a hand blender for your kitchen, then I have an amazing product for you. INALSA Robot INOX 1000 is not just a hand blender but comes with multiple attachments to chop, whisk, mix and make puree and much more. Let's see the product in action. INALSA Robot INOX 1000 comes with a powerful 1000 watts electric motor made of 100% copper. The product is beautifully designed and has a strong build. It has an anti-slip design and comfortable grip. It comes with dual speed setting. The lower button is for turbo boost speed and works at maximum power. The upper button is for variable speed setting. The knob allows you to select 13 speed levels. There is a blue power indicator light that shows that the machine is switched on. It comes with a hook to hang the motor and comes with a long electric wire for convenience. Talking about the attachments, you get a stainless steel wand which will allow you to use the hand blender to mince masala even in hot utensils directly. You get a whisk for whisking. You get a chopping jar with a chopper blade made of stainless steel. There is a rubber ring at the base of jar for stability. You get a 600 ml multi-purpose jar. The motor is low noise. It is equipped with a blade shield design that ensures that this hand blender will do splash-free blending. The net weight of the product is 1.4 kg with all the attachments. All the attachments attach and detach easily, which makes cleaning super easy. INALSA Robot INOX 1000 comes with 2 years warranty. It is a made in India product. The price of INALSA Robot INOX 1000 is less than rupees 3000. Let's see the hand blender in action. Here we are going to take a few onions and chop them. You can see that you can chop them at various levels. You can chop them fine, finer and finest. Now we'll take some tomatoes and make a nice puree out of it. As you can see, the puree is well done. You can also make chutneys and other stuff in this food chopper. Now let's make some cold coffee in the jar itself. You can easily use the whisk that we have got as an attachment. As you can see, it clearly and efficiently makes the cold coffee. And now, as you can see, it's all done and our cup of cold coffee is ready. As we all saw, INALSA Robot INOX 1000 is an extremely useful product for whisking, mixing, chopping and making puree. With all things said and done, it is an excellent add-on to kitchen household. If you are interested in buying this product, I'll leave a buy link for you in the pinned comment and video description. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by INALSA or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such exciting reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.